The three-phase power calculator. Line and phase quickly determines power values and phase relationships for three-phase electrical systems. Let's explore the inputs. First, we have a configuration dropdown where you can select either Y, Y, or delta, D. For this demonstration, I'm using Y. Next, enter your line voltage, VL in volts. I'll use 480. Then input your line current, IL in amps. I'm entering 25. Finally, specify your power factor, PF, as a decimal between 0 and 1. I'll use 0.8. Click Calculate Power to see your results. With these inputs, 480 volts line voltage, 25 amps line current, and 0.8 power factor, here's what we get. The real power, P, equals 16.63 kilowatts, which represents the actual power consumed by your load. The apparent power, S, equals 20.78 kilovolt amperes, showing the total power supplied to the circuit. Under phase values, we see the phase voltage is 277.1 volts and phase current is 25.00 amps. These phase values are essential for understanding individual phase characteristics in your Y-connected system. This calculator streamlines three-phase power analysis for any industrial or commercial application. Find the link in the description below.